Hi friends, and welcome back to another video. Today it is day 22 on hashtag ASR 99 Days Data Science Challenge, and in this video we are going to look at Lambda functions. Lambda functions are otherwise called as anonymous functions that are function without names. Lambda functions can take any number of arguments but with only one expression. So let me show you what's a lambda expression. The syntax for lambda expression is lambda and it will take the arguments, that is either a, b, c, or the by comparing with yesterday, let's say the first name, last name, and it will have an expression. And now let's look at it. So let's say x, and it is a lambda function on a, and it wants us the expression to be a plus 10, let's say. So here lambda is the function name which is anonymous, so and they have given the name lambda to it, and a is the argument and a plus 10 is the expression. Now let's call it. So we don't call the function because it has no name, so we will print it as x of, let's say my value of a should be 5, and now when I print it I will get 15, and here it is. We have already mentioned that lambda takes more than one arguments or one or more arguments. So let's try it out. So x equals lambda of a comma b, and it takes only one expression. So let's say a to the power of b. Now print x of say 2 comma 3. So 2 cube must be 8, and here it is. Now let's see how we use lambda function inside a real function, that is a function with a name. So let's say def of, let's say I give my function a name multiply, and let me pass the argument n. Now return, and in this return statement I will use my lambda function, lambda of, let's say c is to c power n. Now let's say I want power, let's say square it, let's say square it, which equals multiply of 2, in which, that means in the function multiply I am passing the value 2, and when I print the lambda function, that is my square it, so square it of, let's say 11. Now I will get value 121, and here it is. Not only for this, we can use multiple statements here. So let me show you how. So def multiply of n and return lambda c is to c power n and square it equals multiply of 2, and another one statement, let's say I want to cube it. So cube it, so which means in my function multiply I would pass the value 3, And now let me print square root of 11, and also let me print cube it of 11. So I will get the both values 121 and the cube of 11. Oh, sorry. Yeah, here I got it. And yeah, that's all for this video on lambda functions, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. And thanks for watching. Like the video, leave a comment down below, and let's meet on day 23.